Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be talking to beginners who do not even know what forex trading is or have a slight idea of what forex trading is. In the past week I've been getting questions and from people asking, what am I talking about? What is forex trading? How does it benefit us? What is it all about? So today I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna say the basics of forex and what it is all about. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a video. Also click the like button to support my channel and to keep us going. So what is forex trading? Okay, to begin with, forex trading, forex is short for foreign exchange. So basically in forex trading we are looking at the fluctuation of a currency's value against another currency's value. So I'm basically saying, what is the value of currency A when I want to express it in currency B? So what is the value, for example, what is the value of 100 US dollars if I want to express that 100 US dollars in euros or in pounds or in rands or in dollars or in any other currency? So that is foreign exchange. That is what we call forex trading. So this is done on what we call the forex market, the foreign exchange market, which is open for 24 hours a day for 5 days. That is excluding Saturday and Sunday. There is no trading on Saturday and Sunday. So what is the forex market and where is it? I think that is the next question most people are wondering. So the forex market is made up of banks, it's made up of companies, it's made up of governments, it is made up of you. Yes, it is also made up of you. So we have banks in the forex market. And what do they do? Banks facilitate transactions between countries. I think we already know that banks behind the bricks are being used to do transactions between two different countries. And if you want to do a transaction between two different countries, you need the currency of that country. Is that true? Yes, you need the currency of that country. So what the banks do is they buy the currency of that country. They exchange whatever currency they own to buy the currency of that country they want to do business with. The same happens with companies. I think industries and companies do a lot of transactions with other countries, and they would need the currency of the country they are doing a business deal with. They will need the currency of that country so that they can buy in that country. Let's say we have a company which does business with China. They would need the Chinese yen for them to buy things in China. Just like you, if you want to travel to another country, you would need the currency of that country so that you can use it in the country you are visiting. So that's where you participate in forex trading. We also have the government. The government is doing deals with different countries. They will need the currency of the country they are doing a deal with. So that is the forex market. So people ask, does it have a fixed location? No, it doesn't have a fixed location. It is a digital, or it is an online market. But however, we have physical locations, like there are New York Stock Exchange in Wall Street in America. We have the London Stock Exchange. Even closer to home, we have the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. We have the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange. All these act like centers of trading. They are not the whole forex market. The whole forex market is only made up of the banks, the companies, the governments, and you. It is not in one physical location. We have even in Japan we have uh, a trading center, but in forex we do have four major locations. That is the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange. In Tokyo, we have another stock exchange, and in Australia, we have another one, another trading. We have another trading standard, and the reason why they are spread out is so that they can be open for 24 hours due to different time zones. All right, I will not get into how it is the time zones are because it's not part of forex trading, but it does matter. So in simple terms, when you go to the bank and exchange a currency to receive another currency, you have participated in forex trading. So most people will realize that they were already participating in forex trading, but you just didn't know it. Okay, this is moving on. This is one of the question I'm frequently asked. People say, is forex trading legal? Yes, 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 yes. Forex trading is 100% legal. You are allowed to do forex trading. Okay, I think in all the countries, I have not yet heard of a country that has banned forex. And here at home in Zimbabwe, I know people who are skeptical or they don't really understand because of the current situation that we have. The government has not yet banned the trading of forex online. That was not banned in Zimbabwe. So yes, you are allowed to trade it. And to make it clear for Zimbabweans, we are called retail traders. We trade mainly for profit, to realize profit. And so we do not use actual currencies like the physical ones. We are trading online, and I think it is still legal. I have not yet had anyone arrested for trading forex online in Zimbabwe. So I don't want to get deep into that, but yes, it is legal in every country. It is 100% legal. And I think another question people might be asked just for curiosity sake is, do you get text them if you are trading forex? And if you are trading anything below 1 million US dollars, it is tax free. I don't know how if this applies in all countries, but if you are trading anything less than 1 million US dollars, it is apparently tax free. So you just get your money without being taxed, although you'll be taxed when you are now using it, but there are no tax deductions whilst you are doing the trading itself. So the next question is probably, how do I make money trading forex? Like I mentioned before, forex is all about fluctuations of the currency's value. So what we do as forex traders, we maximize on those fluctuations, those those loss or gains in value. That is where we look at. So due to the fluctuations of the value of currencies, one can profit by buying a currency while it's weak or undervalued, then resell when it appreciates in value or vice versa. So what is it is basically saying is you can you can buy a currency while it's weak so that you can resell it when it has gained value so that you gain more. I think uh, this is pretty straightforward, and an example would be, let's say $1 at day one is buying 1.5 Canadian dollars, and at day two the same $1 is now buying 1.25 Canadian dollars. This means that if you had used $1,000 to buy 1.5 Canadian dollars at day one, then on day two you can change that 1,500 Canadian dollars to 1,200 dollars, realizing a profit of $200. Now let me break it down for you. What we focus on as forex trader mainly is the exchange rate. That's all where the magic happens. We are looking at the exchange rate. We are looking at the behavior of the exchange rate. What is the exchange rate doing? Now, I know this is a little bit of maths, but if you buy a currency while the exchange rate is weaker or is lower, it means if that exchange rate rises in value, you will gain more. Because, for example, in this case, $1 was buying more Canadian dollars, but then the following day, the same $1 was now buying less Canadian dollars, which means the Canadian dollars that you bought at day one now have more strength to buy more US dollars. I hope this is clear. That's what it basically means. We are looking at the exchange rate, and there's a little bit of maths involved, but it is so easy that we want to be at the right side or at the correct side of the exchange rate. So what you then do as a forex trader is you look at a currency, you decide whether its exchange rate is going to increase in value or its exchange rate is going to lower down. But if you know that, and then if you know that its exchange rate is going to increase in value, then you buy it while it's still low so that you can sell it when the exchange rate has gone up. Or vice versa, if you see that no, this exchange rate is too high, the currency is overpriced, it should come down, then you sell at that point so that you can buy back while it is now lower, while it's now cheaper to buy, so that you can realize a profit. So how do you then do all this? That's where we have what you call brokerage firms that facilitate those transactions that you want to do, those actions that you want to do. They just act like a bank. Like when you want to buy something from somewhere, the bank sends money, and then you receive your stuff. That's the same as the forex brokerage firms function. They buy that currency for you that you want to buy, or they sell that currency for you that you want to sell, and maybe buy it back when you need it. But I don't want to get too deep into this because it might end up confusing you. So I'll introduce a platform where you can play around for now and see what exactly am I talking about, what exactly is involved. So in conclusion, forex trading is mainly based on fluctuation of the exchange rates of different currencies. If the exchange rate is low, you buy in anticipation that its exchange rate is going to appreciate in value. And when an exchange rate is too high, you sell because you want to buy it back while it is now cheaper to do so. So I'm now gonna move on straight to the platform where this all happens online. So before I go there, one might ask, what do I need for me to trade forex? So you just need your phone, internet connection, and you're done. The rest is now skill. If you have your phone and internet connection, you can trade forex online. So I'm gonna jump to where you can get the platform to do the trading, which is on Google Play. I'm also sure Apple Store has the application. It is called MetaTrader 4. It is available on Play Store for free and on Apple Store for free. It is called MetaTrader 4. This is the application. Currently it has 10 million downloads. So as you can see, for those that didn't know about forex or anything, it's already something that has been there for quite a long time and people have been doing it. As you can see, it has 10 million downloads. So this is one of the trusted platforms that you can use. You can just download it. I've already downloaded it, and when you open it, you should click on get started. Then there is this plus sign on the top right corner. Click it and then choose open a demo account, because you currently do not have a real account where you can trade real money. This demo account is just for practice. You'll be using fake money, so to speak. So if you have done this, you'll see something like this will pop out, and you can now see the different currencies available that you can use to trade. Here you have the Great British Pound against the US dollar. You have the euros against the Canadian dollar. You have the euro against the Australian dollar. You have the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. You have so many different currencies that you have. You have the Great British Pound versus the Japanese yen. You have the euro versus the Swiss franc. You have the New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. You have the euro versus the Hong Kong dollar. You have the US dollar versus the Mexican peso. So many currencies are available. I think only the some dollar is not available, but most of the currencies are available and you can trade them. So I'm gonna end here for the basics, and I'm gonna explain more later and go deeper into what this really means. But for now, you can play around this platform. It's for free, and see what you can do. If you have questions, I've created a group for the YouTube subscribers. So just subscribe, click the like button, drop your number in the comment section, and I'll add you to the group where we can help each other through trading. Until next time, goodbye.